pretty dark and gloomy. So according to the weather network, it's not going to rain till 3 o'clock. We're going to take, my brother Sean has Frank from Germany with him. We're just going to run up and show him the Hippie Castle. So yeah, it's starting to sprinkle a little tiny bit, I can feel it. I don't know if it's showing up on the camera or not, probably. We took yesterday, but we're gonna branch off and go towards Sutherland Lake, which is where the Skidoo Club is, and then we have to cross the we have to go underneath the Trans-Canada Highway to get over to the trail that goes to the castle. So this is the road we took yesterday, branched off there, but today we head straight just to take you towards Sutherland Lake. There were signs back there, but I just didn't get it on camera. The sign says Sutherland Lake and Collingwood. Take this right. That's the way we're headed. Oh, I just had to stop here and a little look around, admiring the beaver dam. We're gonna get going and head towards the castle. Sutherland Lake's just over here, so. To Wentworth. Nice bikes. A lot of razors. A lot of really nice cabins here too. They have nice Skidoo Club races here. Yeah, this is Sutherland Lake. They have really big thing in the winter. They do like drag races for snowmobiles. A friend of ours goes in it all the time. Well, he used to. We got rid of that sled. So we have a few friends that have camps here. Back at the top of the hilltop, we were supposed to actually go straight, and it brings us to a tunnel underneath the highway, but we're thinking there may be a spot to cross up here. Lots of bikes out today. The top of Hilltop Drive back there and go straight, but instead we turned. But we see tracks coming over here, and we knew that the trail to get to the castle was over here. Seems like it would be a shortcut to me. Well, I guess we were right. Came right out to this road. They chopped down a bunch of these trees, so they must be back here logging or something. I can't believe how much they have this road destroyed. It used to be such a nice drive. Luckily the little path to get into the castle is still overgrown and nice. Oh, some more ATVs up here coming through. Or actually that's a truck. Oh no, sorry, it's a John Deere. Hey, you don't see a lot of John Deeres. I seen the massive windshield on it. I thought it was a truck. That was nice to see. There's actually a bunch of kids. There was a kid on a two-stroke Polaris Scrambler, an old one. Love those old bikes. Don't see too many two-strokes out the trails anymore. Well, there hasn't been much progress here on the castle since the last time we were here.
A few moments later.
Well, we're had a little break here at the castle. We're gonna head out and explore a few more trails. Hasn't rained yet, so we should be good. Continued going straight past where the turnoff was for the castle. Coming down off the hill. If I remember correctly, there's a pretty cool another waterfall here somewhere. I've only been to it one other time, never on any of my videos, so hopefully we can find it. It's tucked away in the woods pretty well. another steep drop off here. Whew. I don't remember a caravan here before. It. People dumping bottles and stuff here. Some of those are old cans. Here's the waterfall. Super clear water. So I picked out a couple bottles from that big stash down there. Nori pine syrup. Not sure exactly what that was, but I'll Google it. And this one here says Matthews syrup for cough, colds, etc. Cool glass bottles. We'll save these and clean them up and put them down in the man cave when we get home. We're just leaving the waterfall here now. I don't know what this caravan is. Maybe a hunting shack, or maybe he's a squatter. I don't know. Just heading back up the hill. Ran into another couple more Razor 900s. They look really cool. They're really done up. Like, had like light bars and stereo. Never ever really did the stereo thing because I kind of like just listening to nothing when I'm close here. But if here was a bunch of people had stereo going, that'd be a good time too. Down this little trail that brings us over to the highway. We're going to cross again and keep going sort of to the right where we veered off last time. So we just crossed the highway. We're going to keep on going down this road. I know I've been here before, I just can't really remember where it goes. High bridge. I know, I love it here. You can go ahead this time. I have to take a quick picture.